Lovely day, absolutely glorious weather here as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. We have already started here. Renato Sanchez gets it back. Both sides 3 games unbeaten. Decent starts all round. Renato Sanchez goes through the middle. Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not interested. It's a loose ball. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Nice to get it forward quickly. Renato Sanchez positions himself well and cuts it out. Forward it goes. Looking to break out here. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Samu Castillejo. Lovely feet. Surely a shot. Turns and goes back. Hoists it forward. He's made sure that that won't get through. And it's played forward. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Ball is over the line. Delivers across. It's out for a goal kick. Keeper sends it forward. And the whistle goes for half-time. So both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. What's the first half compared with your expectation?
Yeah, the scoreline doesn't tell the whole story, as one side has been significantly better, at least defensively.
An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. So we're just settling back into this second half.
Darlington can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Renato Sanchez goes looking. Deftly done. And he's there to cut it out. Towering header! Back of the net! The breakthrough arrives at last! Great corner, and he did the rest.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
Darlington get themselves into the lead.
Well, listen, a few words of advice and encouragement from the manager during the break can often straighten things out, and it's paid off here.
Good running with the ball. Can they build on it?
Taylor just did a brilliant job there. It was one of those all-or-nothing commitments, and he came up trumps.
Sanson shapes to shoot! Great effort, beautifully taken.
Yeah, the shot was enabled, Peter, due to such smart control and technique.
Well played, he saw that coming. And it's Traore. He's in! Darlington were relieved to hold on for a win last time round, and go again now. Breaks on here. Going through. He's got the ball, he's got the space. Danger averted for now.
Darlington are clearly looking to kill this game off. It's keeping the ball away from the other end too.
He's got options out wide. That's an untidy challenge. Free kick given. Gets it upfield. Rapidly approaching the end. The undefeated run now looking all but over.
Yeah, it's very much looking that way, but
what?
Well, what I'm trying to say, Peter, is that recent form and confidence levels, that might say otherwise. I mean, it doesn't change the fact that it's hard, but if anyone's going to turn it around, I think it'll be them.
Traore has brushed off the ball there. It is just a question of running down the clock now.
Darlington can afford to settle on seeing this one out by running down the clock, I think.
Samu Castillejo. Has he found his man? And that will be the final act. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down